Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make money with the Paysend Referral Bonus. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open your Paysend account and then go to settings, and in the settings menu you will have to tap on the Paysend Bonus. As you can see right now, for me it's €0. And if you want to earn money with your Paysend Bonus, you will have to invite friends with your referral link. So as you can see, invite friends using the code, here is my code, or via link below, or using this link. And then if they sign up with this link, you will receive €1.5 for every transaction for their first 12 transactions. So that's quite a lot. So if you invite a lot of people, then you can make little side money for your Paysend account. Now I think we should do a nice experiment, and I will do a video again about this after 1 month to see how this works. So I will leave my referral link down below in the description. If you don't already have a Paysend account, you can go down there, use my link, then sign up. You will receive free transfers, so it's very beneficial for you as well. And I will check if their bonus program works and how much money they will send me, or if they will send me, and then I will make an update video to explain and show you my results. So thanks for watching. You don't forget to use my link to sign up to Paysend, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.